Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can turn on or turn off notifications in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write your comments after watching. And let us get down to this topic with you. So friends, in order for you to somehow adjust your WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone, first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. Next, you will need to scroll down until you find the WhatsApp app. Navigate to it, and here you can easily see a section like Notification. Click on it. And in Notifications, this is how this page will look like. The first thing you can do is to completely disable any notifications. Like I did. To do that, you just need to toggle this function right here. And as you can see, if you get a blank screen like this, it means that all notifications are turned off. And if you don't want to do that, then you can adjust, for example, how you're going to get notifications, for example, in the Notifications Center and banners. You can also adjust whether you get a sound when you get notifications and a vibration. And you can also adjust whether you have red dots above the WhatsApp app, the kind of circles that say the number of messages that you've received. You can also adjust whether or not to enable this feature. If you want to go to the more advanced WhatsApp notification settings, then you'll need to click here. This will take you directly to the WhatsApp app itself and the settings for deleting to it. And here you will also be able to adjust the various features that you want. For example, you can adjust what kind of ringtone you want. You can choose it that way, and absolutely other features. And once you finish adjusting any features that you want or don't want in your notifications, you can just exit, so all the changes, they're saved. This is the way, friends, you can easily turn on or turn off the notifications in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. I really hope this video was useful and helpful to you. Please leave your likes, be sure to write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.